My take on express small packets of surprise rice. Let's discover what's inside the packet at the end of this tutorial. You need 4 big dried lotus leaves. Each of them are folded in 2. Soak them completely in warm water for 3 hours. Soak 2 cups of uncooked glutinous rice for 6 to 12 hours. This batch has been already soaked. Drain it just before combining it with other ingredients. 2 optional but interesting enhancer ingredients, which are 2.5 tablespoons of dried shrimps and 10 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms. Soften them with water over maximum heat for 5 minutes. Drain. One cup of fresh shrimps, peeled and deveined. Here's how I simply do it. Removing the skin, starting from the top to the tail. To keep the tail intact, simply crack or bend the tail like this and carefully remove the skin. I just pull the tail carefully. See, the tail is intact. To devein, slice the back this way to then remove the dark dorsal vein. Lucky me! I bought deveined shrimps to save me that step. Once again, flatten it, crack it, and remove the skin. Nice intact tail. What a waste if we lose it, even if it's a small part. So now, let's do it for good. Let's quickly move on with the rest of the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing vinegar. It's optional. 2 tablespoons of lemongrass powder. 5 teaspoons of star anise pot powder. 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger. 2 to 3 medium-sized garlic cloves. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1 cup of fresh onion cut in cubes. Rehydrated shiitake mushrooms and shrimps. Fresh shrimps, peeled and deveined, and raw minced pork. No matter the amount of each, as long as the 2 combined total 2 cups. Let's shred everything in a high-powered motor blender or a processed food with its S-shaped blades. Real-time shredding, just to give you an idea of how long it takes. Be careful with the blades. By using this technique, I avoid any accidental cuttings. My fingers are far from the blades. And let's put it in a secure place. Combine passionately with the drained rice, adding some rays of love. Divide into 8 equal portions for 8 small packets of surprise rice. The lotus leaves are now drained and washed with water. Let's cut each leaf in 2 by following the fold line. Spread a sheet of lotus leaf on a clean counter. And put 1 portion right in the middle. Slightly flatten it out. And fold the 4 corners of the leaf. Repeat for the remaining ingredients. The flavor of these leaves will beautifully soak the rice while cooking. I use here a double tray steamer pot. Fill half of the bottom with water. Place 1 layer of the packets side by side. Cover it, cook over maximum heat the entire time. Starting from when it reaches a boil, it should take from 75 to 90 minutes to be done. Check the remaining water on the bottom of the pot 1 to 2 times and add water if needed to maintain a good amount of water. Switch the trays halfway through boiling time for an even cooking. Place 1 packet with the open side facing up. Unfold completely and eat the surprise rice directly on the lotus leaf. Why not add some fresh coriander or mint leaves with a hot pepper paste and a drizzle of sesame oil? I have to eat it right away.